Hello, my dear students and learners. Welcome back to my channel, My Master SNS. Dear students, today we will be learning the basic and mandatory things to be learned for 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th students. Okay, you start learning this, remembering this, by hearting this, whatever you say. From 8th till 12th standard students, for everyone, these are the mandatory things to be learned and remembered and to be executed. Okay, so what is the main purpose of learning this? This will increase the speed and accuracy. So these mandatory things to be learned, these will increase the speed and accuracy. Okay, so are you ready to learn this? Yes, very good, my dear students. So you have to learn these things with me now. Okay, this last one is very important. Okay, I am gonna share with you the list of this. Okay, just watch this. Okay, tables. Don't hesitate to learn tables even though in your 12th now. Okay, learn the tables from 1 to 20 randomly. If I ask you 18 8s are, what is the answer? Don't think. 18 8s are 8 8s are 64. 8 plus 6 14 144. Okay, 69s are, think. Okay, 69s are 9 6 are 54. 9 plus 5 4 or 9 plus 5 14. Okay, 144. So it's very easy if you learn the tables with your mind. Need not by heart, need not write the tables 10 times 15 times in your book. Just a simple shortcut. If I ask you 19 are, don't do this on book. Just remember, do it in your mind. 8 9 is 72. Okay, 7 in your mind. Add 7 to this 8. 50. 152. Simple. Done. Cool. So you have to remember the tables till 20. Remember this and just practice them. Okay? Practice with your mind. Next, squares. Master, how to remember squares? I will tell you. 1 to 30. Okay? I can't tell you any shortcut or some easy way or connecting something, but I can tell you how to learn them and remember them. Okay? Take a paper, white paper, okay, write 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, till 10 square, okay, write the answers here. Next, 11 square, 12 square, so on, 20 square, write the answers. 21 square, 22 square, and so on, 30 square, write the answers. Hope you can write them. I did not write here, correct? So you have to write them. Learn first 10 squares, okay? Next learn another 10 squares, okay? Now close this with your hands, okay? Read them, repeat them without seeing. If you miss anything, just slightly open and see and again close it. Okay? Learn 1 to 10 square. Next, 11 square to 20 square. Same. Learn them, remember them. Okay? Next, 21 square to 30 square. Same. Learn them, remember them. It's very easy. It will take hardly 1 hour to remember this, to learn them. Okay, still, master, I want the shortcut for this. Okay, I will help you with the shortcut. I will do this separate video on the squares. Okay, just simple. You have to relate the squares. Like if I ask you 14 square and if I ask you suddenly 18 square, okay, 196, 324. How to remember? So simple. You have to relate the squares in between them. Okay, or over them. Okay, what are preceding them, what are succeeding them. Just you have to remember the squares. Okay, values, and you have to relate with this. I will do separate video on this. Okay, cool, fine. So let's go with the third one, cubes. Cubes. Already you were perfect with the 1 to 15 squares here. Okay, just you have to multiply with the one more number. Okay, so 1 to 15 cubes are important. Okay, I'm saying as I'm saying, if you know 2 square, you just multiply with another 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Cool. Let's go for 10 square. 10 into 10. This is 10 cube. This is 2 cube. 100 into 10. 1000. Cool. 15 square into 15. Okay, 15 there. 225 into 15. 3375. Okay, so this is 15 cube. So if you remember this, you can write same as I told before. Take a pad, notepad, 1 cube. Till 8 cube you write, 9 cube, till 15 cube you write, learn them. Okay, master, I want a shortcut for this also. Okay, I will tell you in the cubes video. Okay, fine, cool. Come on, let's go to the fourth most important learnings happen in the number system. Okay, I am just simply writing number system here, but this number system consists of lots of topics. But I will teach you the topics, I will make you understand the topics which are very important for your 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, fine, let's check. So in number system, you have to learn types of numbers. Cool. What is coprime? What is composite? We will learn. Okay, types. And you have to understand the divisibility rules, because most of your calculations depends on the divisions. Cancelling A by B form, you have to cancel A with A or B with A. Okay, for that you must know the basic divisibility rules. Okay, divisibility rules most probably from 2 table to 11 table we will be learning. Cool. And after divisibility rules you will be learning LCM and HCF. Quickly I will ask one question. What is the difference between a factor and multiple? Can anyone tell? Good. Few are telling, few are thinking. We will learn together. Okay? LCM, HCF. First you have to understand what is multiple. Okay. Then you have to understand what is factor. How these are related to my calculations, master? Yes. dear students. Understanding LCM and HCF, it will continue from your fifth to your intermediate. You have to solve the LCM and HCF problems. Okay, in 10th you do Euclid's dilemma method. In that, with that method you are going to find HCF, or highest common factor between the numbers. Okay, among the numbers you will be finding the HCF only there. Okay, LCM, I will make you understand what are this. Cool, perfect. And also I will be discussing the fifth part. Just little bit more conscious. Okay. Okay. In these properties and identities, there are hundreds of properties and identities, but for your 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th standards again, you need only 40. How many? 40. So I will be discussing some basic properties and identities required for your exams. Those are only 40 formulae, 40 properties, 40 identities. Okay. So in this, before discussing properties and identities, to understand them, you have to learn few more topics in it. Okay. What are the topics? Okay. I will be telling you. First topic is ratio and fraction. If I ask you one question, dear students, what is the difference between ratio and fraction? Master, it's very easy. Okay, I know it's easy. But for few students, they might get confused. Sorry. So we will be discussing the difference between ratio and a fraction. Okay. I will connect this with your daily life too. Okay. You will be more perfect with this. Okay. This all are interrelated. Trust me, everything is interrelated. Okay. So ratios and fractions, the difference you will be learning, and making subject. See, in ratio and fraction, in fractions also we will be discussing all complete concept of a fraction, like types of fractions, mixed fraction, improper, okay, proper, what are these, okay, what are like fractions, what are unlike fractions, so everything we will be discussing. Okay, cool. Okay, making subject. See, when I ask you, make A as subject, A, capital A, small a as subject in 1 by A is equal to 1 by B plus 1 plus 1 by C. 1 by B plus 1 by C. Here you have to find A is equal to. This is called making subject. Okay. Take mensuration, that is surface areas and volumes, whatever the topics you take. Trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, linear equations in one variable, linear equation in two variables, quadratic equations, real numbers, statistics, polynomials, algebra, whatever you take. This making subject is plays a vital role in finding the solution. Okay, so we will be discussing few problems and examples on making subject also. Okay, so after discussing these topics, I will jump to the 40 list of this properties and identities. Okay, so don't miss the topics. Okay, I will be discussing on as we discussed. I told you how to learn tables. Okay, I will be making a video on squares. We'll be learning together cubes, shortcuts. I will be discussing about the number system, types, divisibility rules, LCM and HCF. Don't hesitate to learn these. Even you are graduated also, post-graduated also. No problem. If you are going to solve any government exams, then also these are very important. These come into your exam. Okay. And properties and identities which are helpful for 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I will be sharing you this list. Jai Hind.